Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking these cards, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, Cancers. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards first. We have Six of Wands, Three of Wands in reverse and Strength. So in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are feeling really victorious, happy, triumphant today. There are certain things that has happened making you extremely happy. It may be some successful projects, some achievements that you have in your situation, in your career situation, and you are happy for it. But Cancers, this success and happiness has been possible with help from a lot of people. So you should not forget that, guys. You should never forget that. Forget people's help, their role, the way they have helped you towards this success. Maybe you have worked hard and you have a lot of obstacles you are facing today. You are really determined to overcome all that struggles and obstacles. You are a dedicated person, devoted to your work, or it may be in your relationship. You are really responsible. So whatever difficulties you are seeing in this connection, you want to make efforts to change the way things are going, and you are a really trustworthy and a loyal person. You have that perseverance in your heart and a lot of patience. That may be the reason your situation may be changing. So whatever difficulties you are facing, it may be in your career situation, guys. Some difficulties, some delays or obstacles you may be seeing. So some kind of celebration is there. Maybe some projects have succeeded, but you are finding some difficult situation in other choices or in other projects. Maybe, guys. But whatever it is, it may be in your work or it may be in this relationship. There may be some misunderstanding you both have. So some arguments or fights over something. But you are willing to work, willing to change the way things are today because you love this person. And maybe, guys, for your good heart, for your dedication and your loyalty, your situation is changing. So no matter what difficulties you are seeing, you will see a positive change coming in your situation, guys, and end of troubles in your life today. Let it be in your work or in your relationship, Cancers. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. We have Queen of Pentacles. So with this card, in your relationship, you are someone who is really caring and nurturing. So it may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. So you love them a lot. That is what we were speaking about. And for this love, you are willing to change, do anything for them, guys. So you are trying to change yourself, change the circumstance because of this love. So it may be true love you have, and this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. it is Page of Swords. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe in your career situation you have to be careful, because there are people spying you and ready to grab your opportunity. So you need to be careful, guys. If you have people with whom you feel that you cannot trust, you need to stay away from them, and you need to be really careful, guys, with this person. So you have to be careful because they are spying on you and they cannot be trusted. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now, guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that, guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today, guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today, guys. And also this card comes with a special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore, guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Hope. So in our situation, guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation, guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like-minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life, and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.